Hey guys, so today's video will be how to make fluffy slime. So the things you will need is Elmer's glue, shaving cream, and I know you can't see it because I put off the camera, and contact lens solution, baking soda, a mixing bowl and spoon, and something to store your slime in. So let's get started. So first, you're going to want to pour your Elmer's glue in your bowl. So just try to figure out what you need. You honestly don't need that much glue because I feel like the shaving cream expands the slime. So you can pour the glue in. And then you're gonna give your shaving cream a good shake. And then I say that you also need food coloring of your choice. And then you can pour the shaving cream. You kind of need to eyeball how much you need. So yeah. Then you're gonna add baking soda, and the baking soda just kind of makes it less sticky, and you only need a pinch because if you add too much it might just ruin the slime, so only just a pinch. So then you gotta add your food coloring. That's a good time. I wanted mine to be a mint green, so I added blue and green, 1 drop of each, so it'll be like a very light mint green. And then I'm just gonna mix everything together really well, just so I can get all the food coloring, glue, shaving cream together. So when you're done mixing everything together, now's a good time to add your contact lens solution. You want to add your contact lens solution very slowly, because when you're adding any type of activator, you don't want to add too fast because it might just ruin your slime. So you just want to add it one at a time. No, one at a time. Just like add it like a little at a time. So yeah. And then when you're done mixing, you just want to knead the slime together, just so you really get all the shaving cream, glue, and baking soda, food coloring, everything stuff like that, just mixing really well. And when you're done kneading everything together, you're gonna want to put your slime in just any storing kit. You can use like a little jar or even a Ziploc bag. And when I was putting it in the jar, it was kind of hard because there was like big gaps in those spaces, so which I was trying to cover. So yeah. Then you want to close your jar up so the slime won't dry out, and then you're pretty much done with your fluffy slime. And here's just me poking the fluffy slime.